Yes, nongeye kubasuhuza abakunzi ba Kigali Light TV ni yacu none bagesa amakuru agiye atandukanye y'amakuru abagenda acicikana hirya no hino ku mbuga nkoranyambaga ndetse no mu binyamakuru byinshi bigiye bitandukanye byano mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda ndetse no mu karere muri rusange. Wifuza kujya urubana natwe biroroshye no gukanda subscribe cyangwa se s'abonner mu magambo y'Igifaransa, ukanakanda no kuri notification bityo tujyanza gutunganya amakuru yacu ko tuyabona mu mbere gatanu kuri gatanu. Yes, reka tudatinze tunyarukiye muri no nkuru itugezeho. Ngira ngo ku munsi w'ejo nibwo Perezida Samia Suluhu Hassan w'igihugu cya Tanzania yarangizaga urugendo yagiraga mu gihugu cy'u Burundi cy'iminsi ibiri, hagiye hacicikana inkuru zigiye zitandukanye. Nibwo mu binyamakuru byinshi by'i Burundi ndetse no ku mbuga nkoranyambaga hatangiye gukwirakwiza amakuru avuga ko bavuzeho kuri Hussein Rajabu wahoze ayoboye umugambwe wa CNDD-FDD, bivugwa ko ahereye muri cya gihugu cya Tanzania agiye gusubizwa mu gihugu cy'u Burundi. Gusa mbere yuko tugiye kugaruka kuri iyo nkuru, reka tubanze twinjire byinshi kuri uno mugabo Rajabu Hussein. Amwe mu mateka ya Rajabu Hussein wagereranyije Perezida Nkurunziza n'icupa ririmo ubusa, empty bottle. Amwe mu mateka ya Hussein Rajabu wagereranyije Perezida Nkurunziza n'icupa ririmo ubusa. Iyo uvuze izina Hussein Rajabu mu Burundi ryumvikana vuba kuko yabaye mu bantu b'ibikomerezwa mu kuri leta iriho ubiyobowe n'ishyaka rya CNDD-FDD, yabereye umuyobozi ndetse anaba inshuti y'agadasohoka ya nyakwigendera Perezida Nkurunziza nyuma yaje gutuka. Uyu munyapolitike benshi bamwibuka ari umuyobozi w'ishyaka rya CNDD-FDD nyuma za kwitandukanya naryo ndetse anagana inzira yo kurwanya leta. Hussein yari kumwe mu ishyamba na Perezida Nkurunziza mbere y'uko iri shyaka rifata ubutegetsi mu mwaka w'ibihumbi 2005. Mu mwaka wa 2007 ubwo yavaga ku buyobozi bwa CNDD-FDD yahise afungwa ashinjwa gushinga umutwe w'inyeshyamba ndetse no gutuka umukuru w'igihugu. Nk'uko bigaragara mu binyamakuru bitandukanye, Hussein yagereranije Petero Nkurunziza n'icupa ririmo ubusa, mu magambo y'Icyongereza empty bottle. Nyuma yo kugezwa mu rukiko rwamukatiye mu mwaka wa 2008 igifungo cy'imyaka 13, muri 2015 yaje gutoroka gereza ya Mpimba yarafungiwemo. Uyu mwaka ari nawo waje kuvukamo imvururu zishingiye kuri politike ubwo abaturage bigaragambyaga bamagana manda ya gatatu ya Perezida Pierre Nkurunziza, zaje gukurikirwa n'igerageza rya coup d'etat. Mu ijoro ryo kuwa mbere Werurwe mwaka wa 2015 nibwo Rajabu yatorotse gereza ya Mpimba yarafungiwemo. Byatangajwe ko yajyanye na bamwe mu bagororwa ndetse n'abarinzi ba gereza. Uku gutoroka k'uyu mugabo byateje urujijo ndetse bamwe mu bakurikira neza ibya politike y'u Burundi batangira guhwihwisa ko leta ya Nkurunziza ishobora kuba igiye guhura n'isanganya rikomeye kuko byagaragazaga ubugambanyi buri mu nzego za leta. Ubwo yatorokaga, amakuru yatangajwe yavugaga ko agakino ko kumucikisha kapanzwe na bamwe mu bakoraga mu rwego rw'iperereza. Ubwo imvururu zari zitangiye, Perezida Nkurunziza amaze gutangaza ko aziyamamaza kuri manda ya gatatu, bityo ngo abapolisi bacungaga gereza bamusohoramo atuje cyane. Ubwo yaganiraga n'ikinyamakuru BBC yatangaje ko uburyo bubi yarafunzwemo aribwo bwamuteye gutekereza ibyo gucika, ko yahabwaga isaha imwe gusa yo kota izuba ubundi agafungirwa ahantu ha wenyine. Leta yatangaje ko gutoroka kwe nta gitangaza kirimo ndetse gutoroka ntaho bitaba ku isi. Ubwo iki gitangazamakuru cyamubazaga aho aherereye yagisubije agira ati, ndi kumwe n'abarundi kandi babarizwa mu Burundi. Icyo gihe yirinze kwerura agace arimo nubwo byemezwaga ko ari muri Tanzania. Yavuze ko ubwo yatorokaga gereza yarafungiwemo ku buzima yise bubi, ngo yasohotse yemye n'amatora yaka hose. Hagiye gushira iminsi ibiri havuzwa amakuru y'uko Hussein Rajab yafashwe ngo akaba ari mu maboko y'inzego z'umutekano. Yaba leta y'u Burundi ndetse na Rajab ubwe nta n'umwe wari wagira icyo abivugaho ngo anyomoze cyangwa se yemeze. Amakuru acicikana ku mbuga nkoranyambaga avuga ko yaba yarafatiwe mu gihugu cya Tanzania mu gace ka Kigoma nyuma agashyikirizwa inzego z'umutekano z'u Burundi. Ni kenshi kandi byagiye bivugwa ko uyu munyapolitike ari umuyobozi mu mutwe wa Forebu ugamije kuvanaho leta ya CNDD-FDD, by'umwihariko ngo akaba anakorana na General Niyombare Godfrey wari uyoboye umugambi wa kudeta ya 2015. Ngaye nguko reka dukomereze mu gihugu cy'u Burundi tugaruke ku ruzinduko perezida w'igihugu cya Tanzania Samia Suluhu Hassan yasuye perezida Ndayishimiye Evariste ubwo baganiriye byinshi ku by'umutekano w'ibihugu byombi ndetse n'iterambere. Abarundi benshi bagiye bavuga ko banagarutse ku ifatwa rya Rajab Hussein nk'uko tubikesha ikinyamakuru cyo kuri YouTube channel Iwacu i Burundi Online.
Discussion on bilateral and regional issues. I took this opportunity to express my thanks and appreciation for the support Tanzania's government has granted so far to Burundi, particularly in difficult times since the early years of independence. A very high-level delegation to attend in Gitega the funeral of later beloved President Pierre Nkurunziza and Her Excellency Samia Suluhu Hassan was a part of them. So soon after the means of President Nkurunziza, Tanzania's brothers and sisters were hit by similar difficulties, losing their beloved President John Pombe Magufuli, and we sent a high-level delegation to Tanzania to show them in turn our solidarity and support. I noted with regret the recent development of the Kariakoo market that was set ablaze in Dar es Salaam, a huge loss of law for the Tanzanian, Burundian, and the East African community. Myself, I visited that market many times. It is a sad event for me as the person who visited already the market. During this discussion, we agreed on various key issues of mutual interest. We appreciated the fact that Burundi and Tanzania have the same political and diplomatic reading at different levels, especially the shared East African community at all levels, the African Union, the United Nations, as well as other international fora. I thanked Tanzania for hosting the Burundians during the time of conflict and for its willingness to facilitate their continued voluntary repatriation to their motherland. As Tanzania is clearly more advanced in the field of civil service and governance, I asked His Excellency Samia Suluhu Hassan that her government helps in the training of officials from the Burundi Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Development Cooperation, as well as other sectors to be agreed on. We agreed to continue strengthening peace and security on shared borders, work hand in hand to counter terrorism, trade of narcotics, light weapons, as well as the human trafficking in the respective countries. In brief, we stand ready to fighting together all forms of transborder crimes. We agreed to increase cooperation and exchange of experience concerning the climate change and the disaster management. I appreciated a great deal the fact that Tanzania has carried almost single-handedly the burden of Burundi weights. Thanks God, a new situation has pointed to new horizon of hope for both peoples. We agreed to continue exchanging experience in the field of agriculture and livestock in order to increase output. Talking about exchanging experiences, expressed by delight that a Burundian company, Itracom, that manufactures fertilizers, is in the process of opening a plant on Tanzania soil, and we both celebrate this new form of cooperation at the highest level within the East African community. We are committed to continue working together towards a prosperous future for our countries by strengthening our bilateral trade. We invite the citizens of our countries to continue doing business across the borders, especially by investing in ITC, industry, banking, food process sectors, transport, etc. We asked our stakeholders involved in the project of Standard Railway Uvinza Musongati Gitega, Bujumbura Uvira Kindu, especially the bit that concerns Burundi and Tanzania, to fast track the launch of construction activities, as well as other cross-border disease. Tena nawashukuru sana Mama Suluhu Hassan for this visit. Tunawatakia kila laheri wakati wote muko nasi hapa nchini Burundi. Mungu abariki Tanzania.